I found 10 free AI tools that are quietly making people money right now, and most of them take less than 10 minutes to set up. AI has unlocked income streams that required expensive skills in 2020. These tools are free or under /month. ROI is massive. Real people are using these to replace and supplement income. ChatGPT/Claude. Write ebooks, Gumroad guides, blog posts at scale. Canva AI. Create printables and digital products that sell on Etsy. 11 Labs. Generate voiceovers for YouTube without showing your face. Perplexity. Deep research for affiliate review content in minutes. Keywords everywhere. Find low-competition YouTube and Etsy keywords. Surfer SEO free. Optimize blog posts to rank and earn affiliate income. Make.com. Free tier automate posting and email sequences. Durable.co. Build an AI website in 30 seconds for a local service business. Midjourney/Dolly. Create book covers, product mockups, art prints for Etsy. Opus Clip. Repurpose one long video into 10 shorts automatically. Get my free AI income toolkit at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.